How to fix Valorant lag, ping, and packet loss. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. So if you're facing such issue, this is mainly because of the network problem. So the first step regarding it is to try to switch to a better network connection if possible. Otherwise, what we recommend you is to search for command prompt in the search bar. So over here, you need to type in ipconfig front slash and flush DNS. After that, press on enter. This should notify you that the DNS has been successfully flushed. That means we have successfully removed the cache built up. Once you do this, check out to your Wi-Fi icon at the bottom, then check out the network. If you can, click on the eye icon or tap on the properties option. Over here, if your DNS server is sent on automatic, you need to change it to manual. For that, click on the edit button, then select on manual. Make sure to toggle on IPv4. Now over here, what you can do is in the preferred DNS, just type in 8.8.8.8. Then in the alternate DNS, type in 8.8.4.4. After that, just tap on the Save button. Once you have reset your DNS, what you can do is you can restart your PC. For that, tap on the power button and click on Restart. And I bet your issue will be solved. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.